Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech and Life. In this video, we are going to discuss about Streamlit Framework API overview. In the first video, introduction video, we have seen what are the features of Streamlit, what is the purpose of Streamlit, and why we need to use Streamlit in machine learning and deep learning applications. And in this video, we are going to discuss about how the Streamlit application was developed and what will be the structure and framework of the Streamlit framework API. And we are going to discuss about a few kinds of related stuff regarding Streamlit framework API. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So if you want to understand what is the Streamlit framework and what are the related components available, you need to watch this video completely. So without any further delay, let's start our implementation, the framework API related stuff. So this is the structure of Streamlit features implementation regarding APIs, and in this we have main core. That means if you consider any kind of matplotlib or cbon anything, you will be having one sort of main core component over there. So it will be plt, because you will install that matplotlib.pyplot as a plt. It's a kind of nickname. So in the same manner, for Streamlit we call it as st. We import Streamlit as st, and what will be the main component here? St is the main component. And experimental, coming to experimental, it is a kind of method. For example, you need to create an input field, a text box over there. So text underscore input is the method, so we call it as xt.text underscore input over there. So that is experimental here. And beta, so you will be preparing or creating an application, a project over there using Streamlit, and you will be considering that as a beta version, because a beta version need to be tested. Without testing, we can't make it live to the public. So you will be releasing the beta version, and that will be considered as a v1 component. The complete project with all main and experimental components is considered as a main component as a project, and that v1 is the tested one, and that is ready to go to live and deployed in any kind of cloud platform. And v2 will be the next version. So for example, you consider any kind of apps in our phone, like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. Everything needs to be updated every month. You will be getting some kind of updates to those applications. Even for our mobile phones, you will get security patches, laptop OS updates. Everything will be getting day by day, or every month, monthly wise, weekly wise. Every day you will see some kind of updates in your mobile phone or devices. In the same manner, you will be having multiple versions. Why we need v1 instead of v2? Why we need to still keep v1? For example, consider one mobile, recently it got affected with some kind of updates. It was given, because of that update, screen blinking, screen issues are there, are notified. Then what the company will do, they will revert back to the previous version. For that one, we need to store v1 version also. So these are the main features, structure of Streamlit. And coming to the API overview, so these are the APIs which we need to remember, we need to use to create any kind of Streamlit application. So text, data, media, widgets, layouts, charts, and components. Forget about the components spelling, it's just typo error, sorry for that. And we need to have few methods to use these APIs. What are those? For text, these are the different types of methods available. For data, media, widgets, layouts, these are the different types of methods available. So these are the methods which we will be using in general for any kind of web application development. And coming to remaining to charts and components here. And coming to the demonstration, in this demonstration I will be showing what are the IDEs and what are the tools and technologies we need to get installed in our system actually, and what are the libraries which we need to focus to install regarding this Streamlit implementation. So without any further delay, let's skip into a browser. So I'm in browser, and here I will be searching for Anaconda distribution. So I suggest you to install Anaconda distribution. This one, you can use enterprise edition. You can go to Anaconda distribution here, and you can download that one. So you can check where the installation file is there. You can upload, you can download that one and install that one. Anaconda distribution. Why it is mostly used? Because of spider. You have spider in Anaconda distribution. It is the most used IDE regarding machine learning in AI application implementation. And coming to the second one, Sublime editor, Sublime Text 3 editor. So this is also one of the important thing to be downloaded. Check here, check the version of your operating system, and for me it's Windows 64-bit. I am downloading that one. And coming to next one, VS Code. So VS Code is open source, it's free to use, and you can download this one, any version of VS Code according to your operating system. And including these, we need Python version. Latest Python need to be downloaded and installed. So this one, 11.4, 3.11.4 is the latest version of Python. And if you want to install any library, you need to have one support. So pypi.org is one website where you can get some kind of support regarding the libraries which you need to install. The syntax, pip install that library name. So for example, matplotlib, I want to install matplotlib, I don't know the syntax. Search for matplotlib over there, click on the first one, you can see the latest version syntax over here. Pip install matplotlib, copy this one and go to command prompt. You can paste it over there, click enter, it will install the matplotlib latest version, that is 3.7.1. And including these things, we also need cmder. This is also suggestible console emulator, which we will be using in this Streamlit coursework, complete coursework, and it will be using as the virtual environment and also some kind of running or execution pattern platform for this Streamlit course. So without any further delay, start downloading each and everything and execute. For me, I will be using command prompt for this episode, and after that I will be using spider directly. Spider and Anaconda distributions command prompt is there, I will be using that one. And coming to this, run cmd command prompt, and here I will be installing the libraries which are required for me in this Streamlit implementation. So as I have libraries, it will show already satisfied, but make a note of this syntax so that you need to install in this manner. So pip install Streamlit pandas numpy cbon matplotlib altair plotly. So you can directly install all the libraries in one single syntax. So click enter, all the latest versions will be installed in your system. Actually I have all those things, so it's showing requirements already satisfied. So in this way you need to install all the libraries. So in this second episode, we have seen what are the framework requirements, what is the API calls available, and what are the methods for those API calls, and what is the structure of this complete Streamlit features, and what are the IDEs or what are the libraries which we need to install in primary, in frontline for this Streamlit implementation. I've shown you in not normal command prompt. We can use cmdir for the same purpose, and I will be using Anaconda navigator command prompt from next video. I will not be using cmdir. You can use cmdir or this cmd, anything is fine for me. According to your freeness, it is up to you only. I will be using spider instead of Sublime editor and VS Code. So this is about this episode 2, and in next video we will start performing some kind of basic level demonstration of Streamlit, how we need to get all the components in one frame, and how we can run the Streamlit application, and how we can see that application on the web browser. Thanks for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel Tech and Life, so that it will be helpful for me for my growth also. And if you are not subscriber, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from my channel. And if you like this video, like, share and comment your views in the comment section. And the required things I will be posting in the description section of this video. Your suggestions are most acceptable, and please do comment in the comment section your views. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.